morning, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, it is my great pleasure, honor, and privilege to be here and to present this important project, proposed artificial intelligence software that could be highest rated in the world. My name is Jemilu Awolu Adamu, and I work with National Mathematical Center Abuja, Nigeria. Next slide. This research is proposed to collaborate with the Kuwait University, and this research project is proposed to carry out in collaboration with Kuwait University under the leadership of His Excellency President Dr. Badr Al-Dedwi. So this is introduction. The artificial intelligence or the neural network software can be used to build artificial intelligence system using neural network to discover relationships, recognize patterns, and make prediction with the help of graphical user interface and data visualization to visualize, report, chart, tables, pictures, and identify trends in scientific and business data, and to enable us make informed business decision making. The purpose of the development of the proposed software is to create very essential, prominent, advanced, and corrective features such that no any other neural network software elsewhere has. And the software is expected to be highest rated in the world by the end of 2022 and will give birth to the modern neural network architecture. Application. What are the applications of the software? The proposed software will learn various data patterns and insight to optimally produce the right and accurate application model. The software will allow companies, traders, and data scientists to train neural network models faster, cheaper, and to achieve accurate and high performance than preceded by trial and error, neural designer, Nero, and Darknet. And the software will take trial and error out of traditional artificial intelligence and robotics software. So now we have basically three top softwares in the world. We have the Neural Designer developed by Robert Lopez of International Center for Numerical Methods in Barcelona, and Neuro by Professor Zoran Severak, Software and Engineering Laboratory for Artificial Intelligence, University of Burgos, Spain, and Darknet by Peter Nicholas Bedell, Microsoft, United States of America. Next slide. So this is the typical neural designer platform, and it is rated as the first platform in the world. The next platform is the Neuro. The Neuro is the second highest rated platform of the neural network software, and the third platform is the Darknet, which is the third highest rated platform of artificial intelligence software. So these are the standard ratings of the Neural Designer, Neuro, and Darknet. You can see that Neural Designer has 9.5, 8.4, 9.5, 5.7, and 9.4, 7.7 as the typical three top highest rated software. And subsequent, there are other softwares in the world. The next. So now, what is the shortcoming associated with the Neural Designer, the Darknet, and the Neuro? We say the activation function in the Neural Designer is unlinked with the set of AI data. You can see from the left, we have the set of activation functions, and from the right, we have the set of input data, and they are separated. They don't have any common characteristics, and this is the typical shortcoming of the Neural Designer and Neuro. Next. So this is the typical neural designer, Neuro or Darknet architecture, you can see we have the set of input data represented by x1, x2 to xn, and the set of our activation functions such as sigmoid, 10H hyperbolic. You can see from the architecture they are separated. There is no any point where the two are merged. Therefore, there does not exist any link between the set of input data and the set of activation function, as you can see in the architecture. So what constitutes the crisis in the neural designer, neural and darknet architectures? You can see a red line drawn from the set of input data to the set of activation function is the point or the path that created the crisis in the traditional neural network architecture, meaning there does not exist link between the set of activation function and the set of the input data, and this first created the crisis. Next. So the neural designer, in the neural designer or the darknet or the neural externally assume the trial and error sigmoid activation function, which is independent of the input data. They try to bring set of transfer functions that are independent of the input data. Our claim is that each set of input data must have its own set of activation function. If we are talking about if we are talking about autonomous vehicle, the autonomous vehicle must have autonomous activation functions. The stock prediction should have its own stock prediction activation function. Shell forecasting